Now, welcome back to my channel once again. There's a new day and I'm teaching a new plant. I hope you can see this plant. Yeah, this plant is very powerful plant. Yes, very powerful plant. Yes, this is the leaf I'm talking about. Or yes, this is the leaf I'm talking about. It is called castor leaves. Castor leaf, and the plant is called castor plant. Yes, as you can see, it's a castor plant. Yes, a castor plant. So the castor plant has a lot of spiritual benefit that I'm teaching you today. The leaf is very powerful. It's very great in attracting good spirits and attracting good energy. And it has the power to drive away negative energy. So this is the plant I'm talking about. As you can see, it has a fruit. This is the fruit. Yes, this is the fruit. This is the dry fruit, how the dry fruit looks like. Yes, and the fresh fruit, this is how it looks like. This is the fresh fruit of the plant, and the leaf is very powerful. The leaf is used to bath to attract wealth. Get 7 pieces of the leaf. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So you get 7 leaves. Once you get 7 leaves, you put one aside. You put this one aside. So once you put this one aside, you count the next 6. You are going to use it to bath, to cleanse our spirit, evil spirits around us, and cleanse any negativity and negative energy. So once you cleanse, you bath this, you cleanse your area and then cleanse your environment. So this is how you are going to do it. You fetch your water, your bathing water. Once you fetch your bathing water, you then smash this in your bathing water. After smashing the 6 in the bathing water, you take it to the bathroom. You take your water into the bathroom. Once you take your water into the bathroom, you put the leftover one, the one you put aside, you put it on the ground. Once you put it on the ground, you step on it. You use your both feet to step on it. Once you use both feet to step on it, you pray on your water that you bath away any evil spirit attack. You bath away any bad intentions against you. You bath away anything that is after your life. You bath away and attract. Now you attract positive energy. You attract wealth. You attract great things. You attract anything you can mention that is great, that is positive, that is good to your life, that you want it to happen to you. You then, any negative thing in your life that you don't like, spiritual mode, anything you don't like, you pray on it. Then you step on this one. Once you step on it, you bath. You bath and pour the water on you. Once you pour the water on you, collect all the leftover leaves and this one and put it in polythene bag. That is black polythene bag. You are putting it into black polythene bag because it signifies darkness, something bad, something evil. Yes, when you put it in the black polythene bag, yes, you have to damp it. Once you gather it like this and put it in the polythene bag, you have to damp it somewhere that is not accessible again, like in the toilet, like on the refuse dump, like burying it in the ground. Yes, once you bury it in the ground or put it in the toilet or throw it on the refuse dump, it means that you've thrown away all your bad spirit. You've thrown all away anything that is affecting your life. Now you have positive energy. The plant is very powerful. Now you have positive energy to attract. Now you have there is no more any negative impact. This plant is in my garden and it's very powerful. So once you bury it, you repeat that 7 days too, because Monday, the spirit that came to you Monday, you have to do it Tuesday up to the 7 days. Once the 7 days end, you are free. Welcome back to my channel once again. This plant lifestyles. Today I'm going to talk about a palm, but I have a part of it called the palm rasta. The palm rasta, I've made a video on it on this channel, but there are some things I didn't talk about. Yes, today I'm going to show you how to use the palm rasta to chase away witchcrafty and then chase away your enemies that are attacking you at night and then come to destroy your business or all those kinds of things. Yes, you see, we have the palm. This is the palm fruit. This is the palm fruit. So this one comes about when it is unable to manufacture its fruit. So mostly it is the male part of what? The palm tree. You see, so this one is where the fertilization, that is the pollination, takes place from this to this, from this to this. But mostly in the male plant, that is in the female plant, you used to find this one in the dry season. Mostly during the dry season, they are not able to manufacture a lot of food, so you can see a lot of this one on it. But because you are in the rainy season, as you can see at my place, the soil is fresh, and then you are in the rainy season now. The soil is not dry. That is why you can see that during the rainy season, you can find that there are a lot of fruit being manufactured from the same palm tree. So this is our target. I'm going to show you how to use this one or burn this one in your house or your compound to drive away evil energy, and then bad intentions about you. So what I'm going to do is that chasing your enemies out from you, we are going to get the palm rasta. People used to call it African incense. So once we get it, we are going to get a coal pot or a heat source. You get pepper. That's the dry one, and then we are going to put this on it. Once you get this, you're going to put it on the fire. So let's say I have 3. I put it on the fire. Yes, you put it on the fire like this, and then once it is burning, you allow it to bring out smoke. When the smoke is coming out, you just add your pepper. You put your pepper on top. Let's say this is my pepper. So you get your pepper like this, and then you put it on top like this. So as it is burning, it will start burning from the palm rasta, and then to give smoke. And please do it in an open area so that the smoke doesn't cause choking or that kind of things where you can't breathe. Okay, so do it in the open area. Then put the pepper on it, and then pray on it that any enemy attacking your life, may them run away from you, and then make a prayer request on it, and then leave the fire to burn to bring out the smoke in the compound. Yes, thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel. This is basically plant lifestyles, what we do to protect ourselves from our enemies and other kind of things. We teach plant leaves, herbs, and then what fruit, what can benefit our life. So just subscribe to the channel. Thank you.